Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. So today we will talk about how to start preparing CSIR NET or any other PhD entrance test from zero. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So probably you have collected all the notes or all the books or going through YouTube videos every day, but not getting any motivation to start preparation for CSIR NET. Or you are unaware about the fact how to practically start your preparation for CSIR NET. I will help you to solve your doubt in this video. Please stay till the end and let's start your preparation and end up with cracking the exam. So CSIR UGC NET Life Science syllabus is huge. Therefore, a concrete planning is must to crack it. Okay, so first of all, step one is download the syllabus. So get the syllabus and print it because hard copy is necessary. As it is 11 pages PDF syllabus, soft copy will make you more stressed. Get the hard copy in your hand first. Step 2. Go through the syllabus. So go through the syllabus thoroughly. You need to understand what are there in the syllabus. It contains total 13 units. Step 3. So step 3 is the unit selection. So actually unit selection is must. We all are good at something, love something to study and hate some topics. So we all are like that. You shouldn't be ashamed of that. Suppose you personally love molecular biology and hate biochemistry. If you push yourself to understand biochemistry at this point, when you are aspiring to crack CSIR NET, it will not help you. So please set up a realistic goal for you. Don't go for all 13 units. You can't be expert on all 13 units. If you are expert on 78 units, 7 to 8 units, it is enough for you to crack. And if you are expert on 10 units, it is more than enough to crack. Quality is more important to crack CSIR compared to quantity because all questions come in this exam are totally concept based. So actually you have to drive deep in those units which you are choosing. So choose those units wisely. If you target all 13 units and don't have sufficient knowledge, you never crack. Rather, if you target 7 to 8 or maximum 10 units and have a crystal clear concept, definitely you can crack the exam. So based on your strength and weakness, choose 7 to 8 units. Maximum you can choose 10 units. If you are really pro on all 13 units, then you can skip this step. Now, this is the time to set target. So, when do you want to appear for your exam? Because CSIR NET happens twice a year. So, based on your preparation, you need to set the target. If you are confident enough, you can set a 6-month goal. But if you think you need some more time to prepare, then set 1-year goal. This step is very important because based on that, you need to plan and prepare. Okay, so next step. Download books. So download the books that you require. This is one more crucial step. Which book you need to follow for which topic. Please don't pile up number of books for a particular unit. This is very bad habit. Just go for the best book. So I will make a separate video on that topic. If you are comfortable with ebook, then this is okay for you. But I personally prefer to read from hard copy. So if you are like me, print those books and keep them handy. Okay, next step. So this is the time to make a schedule. So keep a planner in your hand. If you don't have any fancy planner, just keep a diary. This step is very important. Now, based on your target, you need to make a year-wise plan, month-wise plan, week-wise plan, and day-wise plan. So first make a broad year-wise, or if you have only 6 months in your hand, then month-wise plan. Divide the whole syllabus you are choosing to study accordingly, and each would be depending on you, what your strength and what is your weakness. Suppose you are strong in cell biology, then keep less time for it. Probably 2 weeks are enough. And if you are not so good in genetics, then keep more time for it. Probably 1 month you require in that case. So I have an example here for you. Suppose I am targeting June 2022 net. So I have 1 year target, right? So, and I have chosen 10 units, and based on my interest, I have divided them. So last month before the exam, I am keeping for revision and practice. Here you can see. So July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, and the last month, that is the May before the exam. For that month, I will only do revision and practice. Okay, then you start the month-wise plan. At the end of each month, make the next month plan. Suppose you are starting your plan from July. So now you know that biochemistry is your target in July. Then make a monthly plan. So I'm sharing it with you. So this is a plan for July. 4 weeks are there in July. So now I have divided the syllabus of biochemistry into 4 4 classes. So here you can see that in first week I will read section AB, in second week I will read section CDE, and in the third week I will read section FGH, and in the fourth week I will read section I and J. Now it is the time for a week. So Sunday night plan for the next week. This is the example. See how it looks. It's not scary, right? So if you plan right, it is very easy for us. So this is the first week plan for me. So Monday, structure of atoms, molecules and chemical bonds. Tuesday, carbohydrate. Wednesday, lipid. Thursday, protein. Friday, nucleic acid, and Saturday, vitamin. So these are coming under section A and B. So that is my plan. Okay. And so next, and every night, plan for the next day. So this is the example. And here also, don't keep any unrealistic expectation. Plan your schedule based on your capacity. You are expecting to study 20 topics a day, so it will not help. Some can study 100 topics a day, some can study 10. So based on that, plan your day. So this is the example of a day-wise plan. So my day will start from 8 to 10 a.m. here. This is just the example. This is just an example here. So 8 to 10 a.m. I will study structure of atoms, molecules and chemical bonds. 10:30 12:30. So a break will be there for the breakfast. So then 10:30 to 12:30 I will study structure of molecules, and then we have the lunch break, and 3 to 5 p.m. will be for chemical bonds. Then we have the tea break, and then 6 to 8 we will revise the whole thing, and then 8 to 9 will be the dinner break, and after that we will practice PYQ, that is previous year questions. Now next step. So as the syllabus is huge, smart study is essential for you. You should not spend 1 or 2 whole days just to read only one topic. Hence, smart study is mostly required. To study smart, you need to know time management, and you need to learn how much you will study from a particular topic. In my channel, I have uploaded some videos where I have mentioned study smart in the thumbnail. From those lectures, you can have an idea what is smart study. Writing notes is a part of it. Always try to take notes when you are reading something. It will help you during your revision. Taking notes is one of the smartest tricks according to me. Next step. Divide your day in such a way that you are reading for a particular time, then you are revising the stuff, and you will revise the stuff that you have read today, and lastly you are solving some questions on that topic. This should be your strategy. because only reading is not sufficient to crack it. You need to evaluate your concept that whatever you are reading, you are going through the right track. So solving question is required. Download previous year questions or buy some practice books to get the model questions. Yeah, please take a break, probably Sunday. So it will help you back in the flow. Otherwise, it is so tough to study continuously in the manner. So there are some strategies. So these are actually the strategies that will help you to get kickstart. So let's start from tomorrow. Get some color pen, notebooks and stuff to motivate yourself. We'll upload more and more videos regarding your preparation and all. So please stay connected and leave a comment here if you feel motivated. Bye bye.